Hi, everyone. Welcome to Custodial Insights, a podcast dedicated to helping school leaders create healthy, clean environments for students and staff. I'm Carolyn Quinn, owner and president of Pike Systems, where for over 40 years we've helped schools and healthcare facilities optimize custodial operations. Today, we're diving into custodial staff benchmarking. What is it, why it matters, and how to use it effectively. Whether you're managing in-house custodial teams or outsourced providers, this episode will give you the tools and insights to make data-driven decisions. By the end, you'll understand how to tailor industry benchmarks to your school's unique needs, advocate for resources, and make incremental improvements that drive big results. Let's get started by talking about why custodial staffing is so critical. Custodial teams are the unsung heroes of our schools. Their work keeps buildings safe, clean, and welcoming. But custodial staffing is about more than just keeping spaces tidy. It directly impacts learning environments, health outcomes, and budgets. When custodial staffing levels are low, you risk inconsistent cleaning, poor morale, and high turnover. On the flip side, overstaffing strains budgets unnecessarily. Finding the right balance ensures smooth operations, happier teams, and a healthier environment for everyone. Here's a question to consider. Have you ever stopped to evaluate the hidden costs of poor staffing decisions? These include absenteeism, outbreaks of illness, and even asset degradation from improper maintenance. Accurate custodial staffing is not just about meeting a quota. It's about preserving your school's long-term operational health. If custodial staffing is so important, why is it so difficult to get right? The answer lies in the complexity of interpreting benchmarking data and applying it to your unique situation. Let's break this down into a few key challenges. Building characteristics. Newer schools with open layouts and collaborative spaces often require more cleaning effort than older, simpler designs. Activity levels. Schools hosting frequent after-hour events need more staffing than those with standard 9 to 5 usage. Non-cleaning tasks. Many custodial staff members take on additional responsibilities, from setting up events to handling minor repairs. These tasks eat into their cleaning time and must be factored into staffing calculations. To manage these challenges, schools need to build a staffing model tailored to their specific needs. This is where benchmarking comes in. Benchmarking is the process of comparing your custodial operation to industry standards to identify gaps and opportunities. Here are the 3 most important metrics. Square footage per full-time equivalent, or FTE. This is the foundational metric for benchmarking. It tells you how much space each staff member can clean during a shift. Standards range from 23,000 to 40,000 square feet per FTE, depending on the level of cleaning required and the type of space. Non-cleaning time. Breaks, administrative duties, and miscellaneous tasks significantly reduce cleaning time. Calculating your true FTE count, excluding non-cleaning time, is critical for accurate benchmarking. APA standards. The APA framework provides a detailed approach to benchmarking, dividing cleaning tasks into 5 levels from spotlessness to unkept neglect. These levels guide how often specific tasks should be completed, helping you align your staffing with desired outcomes. The APA framework also considers equipment and space usage. For example, adding tools like microfiber mops or backpack vacuums can reduce the time needed for the tasks, thereby lowering staffing requirements. Let's explore how benchmarking works in the real world with a tale of 2 schools. School A is a basic traditional layout with minimal furnishings and large restrooms. Cleaning here is straightforward, requiring fewer staff. School B is a modern, complex building with colorful interiors, single-use restrooms, and varied flooring. Cleaning is more time-intensive, requiring about 15% more staff than School A, despite identical square footage. Without accurate benchmarking, School B would likely be understaffed, leading to poor cleaning quality and higher turnover. This example highlights the importance of tailoring benchmarks to your school's specific needs. Even small changes can have a significant impact on custodial efficiency. Here are some actionable tips. Standardized trash cans. Using uniform trash cans saves time on emptying and disposal. Optimize equipment use. Tools like rider scrubbers and microfiber mops boost productivity and reduce physical strain on staff. Adjust cleaning frequencies. Not all spaces need daily cleaning. Adjusting frequencies based on usage can free up staff for higher priority tasks. One of our clients implemented these changes in a 100,000 square foot building and reduced staffing needs by 2.25 FTEs while maintaining high cleanliness standards. Custodial staffing isn't static. It requires regular review and adjustment. Changes in building usage, renovations, or even seasonal factors can all impact staffing needs. Advocacy is another critical component. Armed with data from benchmarks, you can present a compelling case to decision makers for additional staff or resources. Use real-world examples such as improved cleanliness or reduced absenteeism to illustrate return on investment. It's also important to foster a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage your custodial teams to provide feedback and be willing to adapt your staffing model as new challenges arise. Thank you for joining me today on this journey into custodial staff benchmarking. Remember, this process is about more than just numbers. It's about creating safe environments where students and staff can thrive. If you'd like help analyzing your custodial operations or applying benchmarks, don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we can make your schools cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Until next time, this is Carolyn Quinn signing off from Custodial Insights. Take care and keep making a difference in your schools.